Hello, Professor and the class of 502. I'm Jessica Budzak, and I'm here to introduce and discuss our conditions presentation on eating disorders. Eating disorders are not a choice. They can be genetic or they can develop due to our environment. Eating disorders are serious and can lead to death. Eating disorders can affect all ages, races, genders, and ethnicity, although studies show that eating disorder prevalence ranges from 2 to 5 times higher in females than in males. One statistic actually shows that males are more likely to seek out treatment for anorexia over females, while females are more likely to seek out treatment over males for bulimia and binge eating disorders. In our presentation, you will see a first-hand account of a gentleman who is dealing with a binge eating disorder. Binge eating disorders have an age of onset at 21, while 18 years of age is the age of onset for bulimia and anorexia. For adolescents, females are twice as likely than males to develop an eating disorder, and the prevalence increases with age. People with eating disorders can be underweight, normal weight, or overweight. Unfortunately, people with eating disorders have a high likelihood of trying suicide. Eating disorders also have a comorbidity with other mental illnesses such as anxiety. The National Institute on Mental Illness has resources to bring education and awareness to the forefront of the dangers of eating disorders. The NIMH is the lead federal agency on research for mental health disorders and the largest funder of research for mental health disorders in the world. There are many treatments and therapies to help someone with an eating disorder. Some of the treatment options are integrated care, psychotherapies, and brain stimulation therapies. There are many other websites to help with learning about the dangers of eating disorders, along with signs and symptoms, treatment availability, and support groups in your area if someone needs help. For the rest of this presentation, Ashley will be discussing anorexia, Nicole will be discussing bulimia, and Haley will be discussing binge eating disorders. Their discussions will be based on the DSM-5 criteria. Please enjoy the presentation, and if you know someone who is struggling with an eating disorder, please try and get them help. Recovery is possible. Thank you and enjoy.